since I'm done anyway, and this is probably a bit of a personal episode anyway. I'd just like to say that I didn't think, I'd say, I don't know, 5 years ago when we bought our Range Rover, that it would ever be here in Portugal with something as nice as this and have it at my disposal and essentially can do whatever I want with it. Because honestly, if I had to pay someone to build me one of these, I don't think I would have a single car. And I think that's the only thing that I can tell anyone is if you really want something and you think it's the right thing, you'll likely find a way to make it work. And in my case, it was buying a workshop manual and getting to work. On my first Porsche, my second Porsche, my third Porsche, the Range Rover, and then this. And when I say Porsche, I mean less than 5,000 euros. So by no means there's a lot of money involved. But yeah, if you really want something, try it. And usually the way to achieving the goal is to just not accept a no and then find a different solution to a problem you didn't think was surpassable. Not usually one to spread wisdom, because I don't really believe in it, but I have the feeling that when you look at these videos and trips that we've done in the past, it might come across that we just wave with the credit card and go and do. That is by no means the case. We've had multiple instances on the road where we didn't know how to fuel up next, and that's also part of what we do. There is a lot of risk involved that it might not work out, and in the end it always comes down to not giving up and then just pursuing it either way. Because honestly, I'm rather broke here in Portugal on an adventure than having money in a bank account in Germany where it just sits. You know, the calm is also part of the journey. It's ever so easy to think each day has to be a new grand view, a long distance, a great achievement. Being in a place far from home, listening to the raindrops fall and the clouds move, with the car just sitting still. There's something so freeing about it. After only 2 days in the south, we headed back west to Lisbon. We met friends and enjoyed the calm. You should too.